When it comes to losing weight, finding the right program can feel overwhelming. With so many options out there, it's hard to know which one will actually fit your lifestyle, especially if you're just starting out and want something easy to follow. That's why today, I'm getting into 3 of the most popular weight loss programs: Jenny Craig, Nutrisystem, and WeightWatchers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how each of these programs works, what makes them beginner-friendly, and how they compare so you can decide which one is the best fit for you. Whether you're looking for structure, flexibility, or a plan that builds long-term healthy habits, I've got you covered. And if you're thinking about giving any of these programs a try, I've left affiliate links down in the description to help you save some money. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that's not available directly on their website. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Jenny Craig, it's a weight loss program that combines pre-portioned meals, snacks, and personal coaching to make weight loss easier and more manageable. Originally founded in 1983 and relaunched in 2023 under new ownership, with its focus on structured weight loss with home delivery and virtual coaching. The program offers a range of meals and snacks delivered every 2 weeks, including options like cinnamon rolls, baked ziti, chicken street tacos, and chocolate walnut brownies. These meals are designed to help with portion control, with each dish under 300 calories. Jenny Craig also encourages you to add fresh groceries like fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, so you get all the nutrients you need while staying on track. And one of Jenny Craig's standout features is one-on-one virtual coaching. Your coach basically provides personalized support and tips to help you stay motivated, especially during those tricky moments like weekends or holidays. These coaches aren't nutritionists, but they have personal experience with the program, so they offer practical advice based on what worked for them. Now, there are a few plan options to fit different preferences. So the 14-day plan provides 2 weeks worth of meals and snacks, which is perfect if you want structure without meal prep. But if you prefer more flexibility, the Club Jenny plan lets you pay for coaching and resources while buying meals a la carte. And for those cutting carbs, the low carb plan focuses on high protein options while still keeping things convenient. And even though Jenny Craig provides convenience and structure, the meals are mostly processed, which might not be for everyone. Also, some users find it takes time to adjust to smaller portions, but adding fruits and vegetables can help with hunger. And in terms of pricing, it starts at $21 to $24 per day. So overall, Jenny Craig is a great option for those looking for a hands-off approach to weight loss. With its easy-to-follow meals and personalized coaching, it offers the kind of support many people need to stay consistent and reach their goals. Now, Nutrisystem is another weight loss program designed to make healthy eating simple with pre-portioned meals, snacks, and personalized plans. It was founded back in the 1970s and has been helping people achieve their weight loss goals for decades. The program's focus is on convenience, delivering ready-made meals directly to your door every 2 to 4 weeks, so you don't have to worry about meal prep or calorie counting. The way Nutrisystem works is straightforward. You start by choosing a plan that best fits your needs, whether it's tailored for women, men, partners, or specific dietary requirements, like vegetarian or diabetes-friendly options. Plus, you can opt for the chef's choice, where Nutrisystem chooses popular meals for you, or you can customize your own menu based on your preferences. And each day includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, with the men's plan offering 1 extra snack. Besides that, Nutrisystem uses a high-protein, lower glycemic approach to help manage hunger, blood sugar levels, and energy throughout the day. They also offer flex meals, giving you the flexibility to cook at home or eat out, with guidelines to stay on track. And for a quick start, the 7 and 7 program helps you lose up to 7 pounds in your first 7 days with a selection of meals, snacks, shakes, and bars designed to jumpstart your progress. Also, the NuMi app makes tracking easy by logging things like your meals, water intake, and activity. Plus, it syncs with devices like Fitbit and also provides reminders to stay on track, along with educational resources such as recipes, grocery guides, and personalized meal plans. That said, in terms of their pricing, they have different options, starting around $11 to $14 per day, with discounts for multiple shipments, and specialized plans such as diabetes and vegetarian options, which follow a similar pricing structure. But while the pre-portioned meals make weight loss easier, some users find the portions small and add their own spices to enhance the flavors. Others appreciate the variety, but still some feel more dietary specific options would be helpful. Overall though, Nutrisystem is a solid option for those looking for a structured, convenient weight loss solution without the hassle of cooking and calorie counting. Lastly, WeightWatchers, now known as WW, is a weight loss program that has been around since the 1960s, offering a sustainable lifestyle-focused approach to weight management. And what sets WeightWatchers apart is that it doesn't require you to follow a strict diet or buy special foods. Instead, it uses a flexible point system to help you make healthier choices while still enjoying the foods that you love. With WeightWatchers, every food and drink is assigned a points value, and your goal is to stay within your daily points budget based on your personalized plan. Healthier foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins have lower points values, and there are over 200 zero-point foods that you can enjoy freely like eggs, chicken, and non-starchy veggies. This makes it easier to stay satisfied without feeling restricted. Also, the WeightWatchers app makes tracking simple with features like meal planning tools, barcode scanning, and even restaurant guides to help you make smart choices when eating out. You can also set fitness goals and earn extra points by staying active. So if you need more support, WeightWatchers offers workshops and one-on-one coaching either online or in person, so you're never on this journey alone. Now, WeightWatchers provides several plans with flexible pricing options. The best value option is their buy 6, get 12 months plan. This is the best deal because you're basically getting 6 months for free. You'll pay $11 per month for the first 12 months, which saves you $164 over the course of the year. After that, your membership will auto-renew at $23 per month, and all plans give you full access to the app, point system, zero-point foods, and a library of over 12,000 recipes. Overall, WeightWatchers is an ideal choice for those looking for a weight loss program that fits into a busy lifestyle without being restrictive. With the flexibility of the point system, personalized support, and tools to help you stay on track, WeightWatchers offers a practical way to manage weight while still enjoying life. Okay, so now when it comes to choosing the best weight loss program, it really depends on what fits your needs and lifestyle. That said, if you're looking for a plan that makes things super simple, Jenny Craig offers an amazing combination of structure, convenience, and support, with pre-portioned meals delivered to your door and personal coaching to keep you motivated. So it's a great option for anyone who prefers clear guidance without the stress of planning or counting calories. Nutrisystem is also a great option if you like the idea of ready-to-eat meals with a bit of flexibility through flex meals. It's perfect for people who want convenience, but still enjoy having the option to cook or eat out occasionally without feeling locked into a strict routine. Plus, their personalized plan and high-protein approach make it easier to stay on track while keeping your energy levels up throughout the day. On the other hand, WeightWatchers, or WW, really stands out when it comes to building long-term healthy habits. With their point systems and over 200 zero-point foods, it's ideal if you prefer more freedom in what you eat and want to gradually shift toward a sustainable lifestyle change. Ultimately, all three programs are great. It just depends on what kind of experience you're looking for. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And as I mentioned earlier, if you decide to try out any of these weight loss programs, you can use the affiliate links I've left for you down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that you won't find directly on their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.